Hey guys, so my name is Juanica and I'm an au pair at CAP. I've been an au pair for 3 months and I just want to share some packing tips with you guys. So I'm in the state of Washington, that's where I live, and I brought my own jackets and warm clothes. It's a different type of cold, we get snow, so pack different type of clothes for where you're going. Don't pack like too warm when you go to Florida, like 2 or 3 jeans max. You should be fine with the basics, like what do you wear in like 2 weeks, that should be fine. I am currently in the city of Boston. I packed a lot. I just packed hand luggage this time, just for this trip, and I'm going camping soon, but I packed like way too much. I'm wearing like maybe 4 of the outfits, and I think I packed like 12. It's way too much, and you interchange like shirts and bottoms, like jeans or a dress. You keep exchanging them into like this shirt with this jean and vice versa. So don't pack too much. Somebody told me to please don't pack too much when you get here, and I told people too, I'm not gonna pack too much, and my bags was like overweight, so, and I had to pay for that. And I'm basically wearing mostly of the new clothes because it's really cheap, but I'm also wearing some of my old clothes so I don't have to buy anymore and I can save for like traveling. So just want to give a tip: look at your weather and ask, like join Facebook groups like Au Pairs Michigan will say something completely different than Washington or Florida or Texas. So join Facebook groups and like pack accordingly. You don't need as much, trust me. Have a good day. Bye.